7 main steps of crop production. To grow crop, farmers do not just throw seeds in the field. They follow some steps. These steps are called agricultural practices. The main steps are 1. Preparation of soil. 2. Sowing. 3. Adding manure and fertilizers. 4. Irrigation. 5. Protection from weeds. 6. Harvesting. 7. Storage. Most questions in this chapter come from these 7 steps. Step 1. Preparation of soil. Farmers loosen and turn the soil. Why? Roots can go deep into the soil. Loose soil has more air, so roots can breathe. Nutrient-rich topsoil comes up and plants can use it. Earthworms and small microbes grow better. They make soil fertile and add humus. This process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling or plowing. After plowing, big lumps of soil or crumbs are broken and field is leveled. Tools for soil preparation. Farmers use special tools called agricultural implements. Plow, used since ancient times, usually made of wood or iron, pulled by animals like bulls, horses, or camels, used for tilling soil, removing weeds, and turning the soil. Hoe, simple tool with a long handle and a broad iron blade, used for loosening soil and removing weeds. Cultivator, attached to a tractor, tills the soil quickly, saves time and labor. Step 2. Sowing and seed selection. Next step is sowing, putting the seeds into the soil. Before sowing, farmers choose good quality seeds. Seeds should be clean, healthy, and of a good variety that gives high yield. There is a simple method to separate good seeds from bad seeds. Floating seed test. Take a beaker or glass and fill it half with water. Put a handful of seeds like gram or wheat. Stir and wait. You will see some seeds float on water. Some seeds sink to the bottom. Damaged seeds are often hollow and light, so they float. Healthy seeds are heavier, so they sink. Farmers remove the floating seeds and use the sinking seeds for sowing. Tools for sowing. There are traditional sowing tools. Shaped like a funnel, seeds are kept in the funnel. They pass through pipes with sharp ends. The sharp ends pierce the soil and drop the seeds inside. Seed drill. Used with a tractor, sows seeds at equal distance and same depth. Cover seeds with soil to protect them from birds. Saves time and labor. There should be proper distance between seeds. If plants are too close, they will fight for sunlight, water, and nutrients and may not grow well. Step 3. Manure and fertilizers. Plants take nutrients from soil. If crops are grown again and again on the same field, the soil loses nutrients. To make soil rich again, farmers add manure and fertilizers. Manure, natural substance made from decomposed plants and animal waste, increases humus in soil, improves soil texture, and water holding capacity. Fertilizers, chemicals made in factories. Examples are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash, and PK. Very rich in nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Helps in fast growth of crops like wheat, paddy, maize. But too much fertilizer can reduce soil fertility and cause water pollution. So farmers should use manure also or leave the field empty between crops. Crop rotation, growing different crops one after another, also helps soil to regain its nutrients. Step 4. Irrigation. Plants need water regularly. Irrigation means supplying water to crops at regular time intervals. Water is needed because Seeds do not germinate in dry soil. Nutrients in soil dissolve in water and are taken to all parts of the plant. Water protects crops from hot, dry winds and from frost. Sources of irrigations are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, canals. Traditional method: we use moth, which is pulley system, chain pump, Dhekli, which is lever system, Rahat, which is a Persian breed. They use animals or human power. These are cheaper but slower. Modern methods: sprinkler system. Pipes with rotating nozzles sprinkle water like rain, good for uneven land and areas with less water. Drip system. Water falls drop by drop near the roots. Very little water is wasted, useful for gardens and orchards and for dry reasons. Step 5. Protection from weeds. In a crop field, some unwanted plants are grown naturally. These are called weeds. Weeds use water, nutrients, light, and space that should go to the crop plants, so they reduce the crop growth. Some weeds are also very poisonous. Removing weeds is called weeding. Methods: tilling the field before sowing. Many weeds are uprooted and die. Manual removal using a khurpi or seed drill. Cutting or pulling weeds. Weedicides. Chemicals such as 2,4-D that kills weeds but do not harm the main crop. Weedicides are sprayed with care. Farmers cover their nose and mouth while spraying. The best time to remove weeds is before they produce flowers and seeds. Step 6. Harvesting. When crops are fully mature, they are harvested. Harvesting means cutting the crop. It is done manually with a sickle or by machine called harvester or combine, which is a combination that harvests and threshes together. For cereal crops, it usually takes 3 to 4 months to mature. After harvesting, grains have to be separated from the chaff, which is the outer useless cover. This process is called threshing. Small farmers may use winnowing. They drop the mixture from a height. Lighter shaft is blown away by wind and the heavier grains fall down. Step 7. Storage. Finally, grains must be stored safely. Freshly harvested grains contain moisture. If stored like this, they can get spoiled by insects, bacteria, and fungi. So first, grains are dried in the sun to reduce moisture. They are then stored. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metal bins. Large-scale storage is done in silos and granaries. At home, people sometimes mix dried neem leaves with grains to protect them from insects. In big godowns, chemical treatments are used to protect grains from pests and microorganisms.